Okay, I think I am back. Let me... Waiting for it to say that's back online. There we go. Back online. Sending data. Copy video URL. Go here. There. Okay. Sorry about all that. Still kind of new to this. All right. There we go. There we go. Here we go. There's still like one more thing I need to check. All my videos. More likely than not, I'm not going to be able to finish this, not because I don't have the skill, but because I just keep running into tech difficulties. So, all right. Yeah, I could prefix the file game type script name CS. I don't like super verbose names. I think we had this discussion once in private where I like to have my names be about at most 3. 3 words, probably no more than 4 long. Button. Here we go. I have way too many tabs. Gotta close that. So we've got a button. Let's see if it works. It's not working. Okay. It's got that button script. Why? Click other end runtime, automatic. Let's just see what happens if I create button. What comes with the button component? All that stuff. Okay. Text. Yeah, so all I really need is that button. Okay. Delete. Oh, it's not in the GUI canvas. Okay. So I need that event system. Along with this, I need a canvas. Game canvas. Drag the button over here, and now let's see if it works. No. Delete you. UI button. Image is going to be you. Oh, that's the wrong thing. That. 160. Hey, Moon Bun Bun. I'm just trying to see how much of a game I can make in an hour and 20 minutes. I had some difficulty setting things up, so definitely burned through some of my time in a non-productive way. I have to try to include anything you suggest as part of this challenge. So feel free to make this annoyingly hard. That is actually encouraged. Text. Don't click the button. Where did my text go? Go here, drag you up there, center, and center. And then we're going to make you 50. Recenter. Okay, cool. Add the button here. Go here. That's not what I wanted. It's so weird to code without music for me. Not to complain or anything, but I definitely am not having the same level of focus as when I am jamming out. Yamis, if you force me to do this in PHP, I will be very upset. I will hunt you down. I will come to California. It's being clicked. Debug stuff, right? Debug log, I was clicked. Switch curse state. Set state, level set state, and LC set state. Okay. Let's fucking do log curse state. Okay. Let's see where that goes. Oh, I have the wrong thing. Lose button was clicked. You definitely do have to move back to Texas. I don't think it was for no reason either. You made the mistake of trying to force me to do it in PHP. For those of you who aren't programmers, PHP is rather annoying in many regards. Okay. Now, what should happen when we lose the game? First of all, do we even need a win state at this point? Let's keep it just for later. What should happen when we lose the game? Yeah, with SFML, things can be a bit easier than with PHP because SFML is strongly typed. Colors invert. Yeah, but that doesn't really indicate, oh, hey, you lost. Like, I'm thinking when we lose the game, you hear someone scream into the... Ooh, I'm actually... Maybe jump scares aren't a good thing. When you lose the game... Okay, here are the options I'm going to give us so far. Insult. Show butt. Scream in mic. Bad guitar plays. And let's throw colors invert in there as well. Pick one. Insult. Okay, it's gonna install this. So on lose. What I'm gonna do. Panel. Not what I want. Let's go with here. Clip art. Sign. Okay. Colors invert and everything becomes sarcastic. That is good. Clip art. Notice. Pop up. Notice. Yeah, let's just go back to the sign. Okay. Gonna download this and then... Because I am not an artist. Where the... Fucking fine, here. I am not an artist. So this isn't going to go super well. Also, super fun thing about this stream. It is not doing too well entertainment-wise. Which I don't mind. That's part of the test. Would people actually want to see a game get made? But... And I did have technical difficulties, but I don't think I can blame this one all on technical difficulties. Text. Rename. Game. Explanation. And that text. Rename. What is this? End game. Text. All right, and then we want to give this a image. And I want your image to be that. And for you to be fat. Chunky boy. Public. Game object. Text. And then dot viz transform dot is shit. How did I do that? I'm gonna have to open up the old Goth Prof Nog and steal some code again. Bounce what you think what was. Dude. How did I... That's going to be in my menus. You know what? Canvas, level select. Canvas. Screen, main menu. How did I do this? New window. Where did you go? Okay, here we go. Pause menu. Event. Disable menu. That's what I'm looking for. Set active. That's set active. True. Yeah, so for those of you who don't know, I work with about 4 different programming languages at work alone. So when I gotta do things for fun, I will often forget what things are in different programming languages. And we have our level controller. This is gonna be end text. Did I say false? I meant true. Yeah, I did say true. Okay. So for the moment, I'm going to set this to false. We're going to play that. Oh, feel free to tell me why there's poor retention later. Sweet. That's false. I do need a good old, big old X button. Or just a way to get out of it. Another button. We don't even need to call this X. Let's just say, where's the text? Here's the text. Back. Center. And you said insult, right? Alt. Okay. Yeah, one of my least favorite things is how the same term in 2 different libraries can have different meanings. You did say sarcastic. Impulse control. Did I spell impulse wrong? There we go. And just for the heck of it, we're going to record some shitty guitar. You suck. There we go. That's playing whenever we click the button as well. Export audio. Fucking FLAC, I guess. PC. Unity goofs. Where are you? Here we go to our stream. Assets. Music. It is not a bass mandolin. It's it's just a regular Taylor love breed. And once again, getting Goff Profnog to see how I kick this off with the audio here. Music event. That's not what I want. Oh, I deleted my old system and switched over to whatchamacallit. Fucking W-Wave. Audio source. Oh, that's going in. Yeah, that goes there. Text endgame. No, that should go here. Solid impulse control, audio source. Audio clip is going to be you lose. Hold on. What format does this have to be in? What format do Unity audio stuff? Audio format. And this is FLAC. Okay. Delete. File. Export audio. Let's just go with basic MP3. Okay. So let's not go with that. Let's just go with Wave. Right? Wave is supported. Yeah. Okay. So audio source, you lose over here. Level controller events. Yeah, level controller. At that and get her. Yeah, get component. End text, get component. Audio source dot play. So now let's see how this looks. Play. You suck. I'm pretty happy with that. There's no IO source attached to. Okay, so this isn't properly triggering. Text.set active, or if endtext dot is active. And text dot active false. Yeah, thank you. So get active? No. And then we want the back button to have a back. What is this? Yeah, that's back button. Add component, back, new script, close menu. Or I think I want that, and I actually don't want that there. I want that here. No, wait. Button, it's gonna have a level controller, and it makes sense for the level controller to control the state. Public void play game. Set state play. Level state dot play. Okay. Play game. Okay. So let's just okay, cool. So we have our win condition. Well, we don't have a win condition. This game's not going to have a win condition. We have our lose condition. What other... We have an hour left. What do we want to add? How can we make this more of a game and less don't do something? Oh, you also said invert the colors. Let me just quickly do that while you think of something to add to this. Sprite renderer, right? No, it's going to be image, right? Just hovering over it? Okay. So this is something I kind of hate. 3 images. System.net mime, media types, UI, and elements, and just UI. I can't remember if it's UI or UI elements. I'm going with classic image. Hold mouse over it. Is there a way to detect? That's gonna have to have me do update. Get component image dot and sprite dot colors. RGB colors. QQ? I have no clue what QQ is. Here we go, color. Let's just find an easy way to invert colors. Image. The secret to all programming, Google. Huh. This looks like a bit more work than is worth doing. So I'm just going to make default or private public color def color public color inv color let's go with art color equals our color question mark, or art color equals def color question mark. Okay. So this should invert. One thing I really like about Unity is when you make something public, you can mess around with it in the UI. And invert color. What's the opposite of blue? Orangish? Let's just... There we go. Now let's see what happens. Where did it go? Oh. Oh. Okay. What if we just make that white? Okay, so to invert this, I'm going to need to make it lighter. Much lighter. Ooh, but based off what I know of color theory, that's possibly gonna just make it brown. Yeah, that just makes it brown. So how do you get orange from blue? I don't think you do. Let's just make it yellow then. And with yellow, we can see it easily turn green. See, I could do that, Yamas, but we have less time. Not less time, but we have like limited time, so I don't want to completely do that. Okay. We have that. And you said hover over it. All right, how do I detect hovers? Was clicked. The way I detect. I have something exactly for this. Cancel. I don't want to move 2 folders. Scripts. Environment. Node. How does a node know when something's over it? On mouse enter. There we go. The most fucking normal thing of all programming. On mouse enter. Was that was just private void. Private hover counter. Private int. And private bool hover count. Ooh! While hovering over it for 10 seconds, your idea, Yamas, what if they have to they have to move their cursor off it at exactly the 10-second mark, or as close to the 10-second mark as they can? Let's go with mindfart. Okay. Hover counter equals 0. Hover count is true. And then private int hover count max. Or let's make this const. Here we go. Private const max. What is that? That should be time. Yeah, but this isn't supposed to be a good game. This is just supposed to be a game. Hover count true. On void on mouse exit. And we want a timestamp, I think. I cannot const all things. Private time. Hover time. Hover time equals time. New time. Does new time automatically... Let's make that one public just so I can see. Hover counter equals new. Time scale, time, fixed cell time. Time.time equals time.time. So hover time should be a float then. hover counter should be a float. So time equals 10 is going to be 10 frames. That's less than a second. Count max? Nope. Yeah, hover count max minus hover time no. Hover count max minus 500 level LC dot set state win. Wait, I'm doing my math wrong here. So hover counter max minus 500. Okay. If 500 is greater than hover counter you claim it was pseudocode, but do you have any proof? When text dot set active true. Win and win. Public game object win text. If you're at 10 seconds at 60 FPS. "10 seconds at 60 FPS, that's what? 600 frames? No, larger. Yeah, no, 600. Win text. Oh. So we want to her UI. Duplicate, pull that here instead of, yeah, that actually works. And I'm gonna want a button, no, not a button, an image. Why? Okay, fine. In that image, we'll create some text. And picture. Crap. Yeah, let's just go here. You. Download. Where did I just have that? Here we go. Oh my gosh. I don't think I could pull off win text in English. For a variety of reasons. Oh, does this have a fucking background? That's not an alpha layer, is it? Okay. I gotta find a clip art with an alpha layer. You know what? Screw it. This one, the win text is going to be the most uninspired piece of. Oh my gosh. There we go. And now we gotta create a beat. What audio do we want? It's not what I want. Disable. Oh my gosh. Cooperate with me. Then I want that. No. Okay. That will do. Okay. Export as a WAV file into to our stream. Assets, music. Yeah, one. Start, and then that's, oh, finished. Cool. And we want an audio source. And we want that audio source. Here we go. So I'm gonna watch this to see where the hover time goes. Oh no. Huh. Okay. What is broken there? Lose button. Public float, hover time equals time equals time. Oh, okay. Pointer, what's the on pointer enter and on pointer exit? Pointer. Hello, Jacob. Jacob Kubatel. Lucky. That's my best attempt. That is my best attempt. We are trying to make a game together, Jacob. So if you have any ideas to add to the game, we have about half an hour before our time is up. Why is that never used? On pointer enter, on pointer exit. And that's, yeah, on pointer enter. On pointer enter. All right, you know what? Fuck it. We're just going to test it as is. Yeah, import. Oh my gosh. So this is a game. I'm making a game, and I can't decide most of the game design choices of the game. So like Yamis the Fox, who has been in the stream for a bit, has been saying, "Oh, this is what you should add," and I try add it. The goal is to see how far we get in 2 hours. How much can I do in 2 hours? What is going on there? Okay. I'm just slapping that in there. And the unfortunate thing is I am doing something I never did before, so I look like I don't know what I'm doing. That thing is this pointer stuff. I'm used to using on mouse over. That doesn't work for UI elements. Show context actions. Waiting for intention action. What is going on with my IDE right now? Gonna close you, gonna close exit. Go back here and What broke? Oh, I was missing a fucking guess. Okay. So, Jacob, here's what we currently have. At least, hopefully, here's what we currently have. Okay, hovering doesn't work. But when you click it, you suck. When text has not been assigned. Here we go. That should be assigned. That fixes that. This looks like crap. That's because it's only done in 2 hours. Most even 5-minute games take like a week to make. Put box around the button. I could do that, but I still have to detect the pointer going in and out of that box, Yamas. Like, current issue is, why aren't we detecting the pointer? Is this it? Huh. Yeah, you know what? I had a thought. I lost it. I've been brain dead half the day. Let's just see if this triggers. It does not. Okay. Let's just see if there is another answer. On pointer enter. Right. Oh. This is gonna fix it, $5 says. Or wait 1 sec. Okay. And on pointer exit, we want time to restart. Hover time equals time. Okay, so I think it is testing seconds. So we want that to be 10. Let's just debug this real quick. uh, uh, uh. Here we go. Okay. So we've got hover count max not showing up here. Come on. 500. 1.6. Yeah. Okay. I think I'm seeing part of the issue. We assumed this was working in ticks since that's working in actual seconds. 10, and let's make it 0.5. So we're going to count to 10, see how things go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That was 6.275. Let's make hover count also be public. Hover count, hover time. Just so that we can see what's going on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 7, 8. Okay. I am bad at the game I made for myself. What the hell? So close. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, Mississippi 2, Mississippi 3, Mississippi 4, Mississippi 5, Mississippi 6, Mississippi 7, Mississippi 8, Mississippi 9, Mississippi 10. 1, Mississippi 2, Mississippi 3, Mississippi 4, Mississippi 5, Mississippi 6, Mississippi 7, Mississippi 8, Mississippi 9, Mississippi 10, Mississippi. Oh my god. Okay. This game's hard. I want to lose. Okay, so we have a win condition. I can't win because I'm terrible at the game, but we have a win condition and we have a lose condition. What else do we want to add to the game in the next 20 minutes? Taking any and all suggestions. You did say that. You did say that. Let's just see if that can happen. I don't think there is a direct hover over. I'd have to use update, which I personally don't like using update in Unity because it is slow and it takes up too many resources. Credit screen. Yeah, okay. Do you want me to use your real name, Iamis, or do you want me to just use your username? Oh, just check time and if... Yeah, okay. Swifty. Gotcha. Swifty. And that'll happen when you right click, I guess. I don't know. Credits. And let's just get a credit card that when you click on it, it does that. Credit card, clip art. Make another button. There we go. And on click. Credits. You know what? Let's do another bad thing. Public void. Her state equals there we go. This should be set state, not curse state. This is true. False. Oh, I didn't set that to... here. And let's just test the wind condition real quick. Gotta make sure it's nice and over 10. Sweet. Okay. I would like to call it here. This was a fun experiment. This isn't gonna be a regular thing at all. It was to see how much of a game can be made in 2 hours. Fun experiment. Definitely had some technical difficulties on my end that made this less than enjoyable for others. Also, I'm not sure I'm the most dynamic personality and can actually keep people engaged for a full 2 hours. So, fun experiment. Not going to happen again. Thank you, Yamas, for sticking around. And I see one more person's on Twitch. Going to thank them, too, for sticking around. And hope you all have a good night. How do I turn this off?